38 Easy Ways to Save Money, Saving Hacks. 1. Pay credit card debt fully each month. If you have credit card debt, make sure that you pay them each month to avoid falling into debt or paying penalties and interests. 2. Reduce credit card debt. Have a goal of reducing your credit card debt by only $500 for instance. This will save you annually on interest, especially if you're paying penalty rates. 3. Use only your bank's ATM machine. Using another bank when making withdrawals will cost you at least $3 for each withdrawal. This could total to hundreds of dollars annually. 4. Use treating yourself to save money. When running errands or going out and you feel like buying coffee, save that same amount into your bank account instead of buying yourself a treat. Watch your savings grow by practicing this habit. 5. Calculate your purchases by the cost of work hours to pay for those. Another easy way to save money is to calculate the amount to spend on purchases and divide it by your hourly wage. So, if you're thinking of buying a bag for $100 and your hourly wage is $20, pause for a while and consider if buying that bag would be worth working for 5 hours. While it can be sometimes, it might not be at all times. 6. Apply the 24-hour rule in shopping. Don't buy non-essentials or expensive items due to the spur of the moment or on impulse by following the 24-hour rule. Wait for 1 day before buying it. So, go ahead and add items to your online shopping cart but don't buy them yet. You'll never know, but you might not be that interested to buy them anymore after some time passes. 7. Automate savings. Open a separate bank account for personal savings. This is one of the most effective and simplest ways of saving money. This allows you to put cash into a savings account at a regular interval. It puts extra cash into a fund and keeps it out of sight. Watch your money grow without you exerting an effort to do it. 8. Establish an emergency fund. Build an emergency fund early on. This could be between 3 to 6 months of your monthly income. This fund can help you survive and stay afloat in the event that you lose an income source or when something unexpected happens in the future. It can also prevent you from incurring debts to cover an emergency expense like a huge car repair. 9. Start small, but be consistent. Set a short-term finance goal and stay motivated in your quest to save money. For example, commit to save $10 a week for a year. This is more attainable than setting a huge goal of saving $1,000 annually. Once you've reached your goal, you're also building a good money habit that you can repeat and continue practicing to start with a new goal. 10. Save early for retirement. It is not too early to save for retirement in your 20s or 30s. The earlier you start with setting up a retirement fund, the better. Young people are in that life stage when saving for retirement is bright. 11. Create a savings plan. People with a savings plan are more likely to become successful in saving. Set a goal and create a plan to achieve it. In the process, keep yourself motivated with plenty of reminders and tips in order to reach your financial goal. 12. Put spending limits on gifts. Spending on holiday gifts is one of the biggest spending that families make every year. Sit down and talk to your family about giving only one gift for one person on Christmas or holidays. This will help your family save money on buying presents and eventually also reduce your stress. Doing this, you can also focus on more important matters during the holidays. 13. Save every coin. Set aside your coins in a piggy or coin bank. You can do this to help you save slowly but surely. Every centavo counts. 14. Automate your bills. Set up auto payment options for your bills to ensure that you pay them on time and avoid paying penalties or late charges. 15. Get a debt counseling. Use consumer credit counseling services for debt counseling. They'll help you determine your options, establish a budget, and negotiate with creditors to pay debt off. You can get their services free without any obligations on your part. Don't miss the opportunity. 16. Use the envelope system. Budget your money using envelopes in which you allocate cash for every expense like paying your bills, mortgage, and other fixed expenses. This applies to you especially if you tend to overspend. 17. Save for your future. Don't just spend less, but save with a goal and purpose in mind. This could be money for emergencies, retirement, or college education funds. 18. Unsubscribe from marketing emails. Retailers send promotional emails and texts to their customers. Consider unsubscribing from these promotions to avoid the temptation of spending money on them. 19. Check your credit report annually. Get your free credit report for free once a year. This is to check for any errors or inaccuracies. It will also help you see any opportunities for any score raise. 20. Use your local library. Instead of buying books and reading materials, you can use your local library for its wide range of reading resources available for free. Your local library is a great place to find free audiobooks, e-books, classes, magazines, and books. 21. Look for low-cost or free entertainment. There are many online sources, like Facebook, where to search for and find local free or low-cost entertainment activities and events in your area. It is a great way to reduce entertainment costs and save money. 22. Avoid buying cheap clothes. Don't buy cheap clothes, but instead shop for quality. Cheap clothes will not last and you'll end up spending money again to buy new ones. 23. Have a no-spend day in 1 week. Choose a day in a week when you will not spend money on the non-essentials, like going to the cinema or eating out. There are a lot of fun and free activities you can do at home, like cooking your own food and streaming movies online. 24. Bring home-cooked meals to the office. You can brown bag lunch instead of buying food at the cafeteria or eating out. This tip doesn't only help you save money and reduce food cost, but it also helps you stay healthy. 25. Buy a reusable water bottle. The cost of bottled water can easily add up and cost hundreds of dollars annually. Buy a reusable water bottle, fill it with water, and always bring it with you when going out. 26. Cook in a larger batch. Save effort, money, and time by doubling your recipe. Freeze the leftover for consumption another day. In this way, you only cook once and you get 2 meals. This also allows you to save money on cooking fuel and be more efficient with the ingredients. 27. Eat out less often. Save dates at the restaurant for special occasions or treating yourself once in a while. Commit to eating out less often and see how much your savings will grow, all without depriving yourself. 28. Create weekly meal plans. Save hundreds of dollars annually by creating a weekly meal plan. Make a list of the ingredients you'll need and buy only these items when you go to the grocery store. Stick to your list to avoid overspending and buying stuff on impulse. 29. Choose generic medicines. When getting a prescription, you might want to ask your doctor for a generic option of it. Generic medicines cost less than brand name products. And when buying over-the-counter medications, look for store-brand medications that often cost 40% less than advertised brands even if they have the same components. 30. Check around your home and weatherproof when needed. Look for cracks and holes around your home and caulk them. These places are where warm and cold air escapes. Seal them. You may also want to visit your local hardware store for useful weatherproofing products and advice about inexpensive ways to reduce heating and cooling cost. 31. Keep window blinds and curtains closed during summer. This will keep your home cooler because you can block the sun out. 32. Consume less water. Use low-flow showerheads to reduce water costs. You must also check for leaks and repair them. 33. Shop around and compare homeowners insurance. Check out and compare the rates of different companies before signing up for or renewing your current homeowner's insurance policy annually. 34. Audit home energy consumption. Go to your gas or electric service provider and ask for a home energy audit to figure out if there could be ways that cooling and heating costs could be reduced to save hundreds of dollars annually. 35. Save on laundry detergent. Detergents are typically concentrated, so use the smallest amount possible to reduce detergent cost. 36. Use natural cleaning products instead of buying them. Vinegar and lemon are 2 great examples of kitchen items that can be used to clean around your home. 37. Use washable cloth instead of paper towels. Just wash them and reuse to cut out paper towels in your life. 38. Compare auto insurance rates. Before signing with one car insurance provider, look around and compare different rates to save money. However, make sure that you'll get enough coverage, too. After all, choosing cheap will not be worth it in the long run if it doesn't give sufficient coverage.